Sir, my name is Succulent and I'm here from last 7 years. I'm just going to explain the history about this beautiful room you can see here. The restaurant name is Swarn Mahal. It's Hindi word. Swarn means gold and Mahal means palace. And you can see in the room everything looks like gold. And it is gold. The cutlery and glassware, what we are using on the table, it's actual gold plated. So you can see inside is silver and outer is made with 22 karat gold. This room was designed by Anthony Milbank, who was a British designer, and he had given more like a Venetian and Victorian look for the room. So you can see the chandeliers, frescoes, everything's more like a Victorian style. These chandeliers from Italy Murano, it's more than 100-year-old. So when it came, there was no electricity. They used to have wax candle. There was a roller that time, cooled down every evening, put the candle and then up. So you can see the wiring from outer side, it's additional. Once electricity came, they just add on.
Okay.
You can see the four frescoes there as well, which were painted by prisoner of war, basically from Second World War, and they made with the vegetable color. So you can see it's presenting 4 seasons of the world. This side is summer, winter over here, spring, and harvesting scene autumn that side. So they used the vegetable colors. Still it looks new, but it's untouched original painting.
So it's from 80s,
Yes, it's painted during Second World War, so you can say it's
90s, 1933, 45.
Yes, so 80 years old painting, but this the chandelier is more than 100-year-old.
Oh,
And this carpet also you can see it's single piece carpet in the length, one piece. Length is 82 feet.
82 feet.
Yes, this is replica of original carpet. Original one from Persia, Iran. We kept in City Palace, and this is from Kashmir.
Oh,
Even every corner you can see the lamp in the shape of polo trophy. Because the last Maharaja was a great polo player. So he had won trophy in England in 1933, and this is just replica of that trophy. An original trophy we kept in City Palace. This
Okay.
is made with alabaster marble.
so this property belongs to Savai Madhav,
Savai Mansingh II.
Savai Mansingh II.
Yes. So that time it was a forest area in 1835. After some time it's become a boarding school for royal children. In 1925 it's become a residence for the last Maharaja. In 1957 they decided to convert into hotel. So since then it's as a hotel Taj is managing, but still it's owned by royal family.
Okay.
And this room is particular. It's one of the original and iconic part of the palace. Royal family used as a dining room. So those days they used to have one long single table in the center for 80 guests, 80.
80 guests in
And
the
same-
single place.
Yes, at the same time served by 80 butlers.
80 butlers.
Yes, that each gets own butler. And because that time not such a menu, so chef prepare their own choice food, which is served in a golden plate.
Oh,
So 80 butlers comes together and serve in a one go. That is something royalty that time. And the restaurant designer was Anthony Milbank. So
Anthony
he had given
Milbank.
like more Victorian look for the room.
huh.
This is small history about the room, and I hope you enjoyed your thali as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Gama khadi.
Come on.